Exercise 3.4, Direct, Inverse, and Partitive Proportionality. This is a continuation of my last video lesson on this topic. So we are answering some exercises that are listed at the end of Chapter 3, Ratio and Proportion. Ten pipes are able to fill in a tank in 3.6 hours. Assuming that the flow rate is constant, how many hours would it take 12 pipes to fill in the same tank? These are the questions. Is this direct or inverse proportionality? What is the constant of proportionality? And how many hours would it take 12 pipes to fill in the same tank, assuming that the flow rate is constant? Is this direct or inverse proportionality? So we have a tank and we have 10 pipes that are filling it up. And the fill-in time required to fill up this tank using 10 pipes is 3.6 hours. That is the fill-in time. Now we have the same tank and we are assuming the same flow rate. Okay? How many hours would it take if we have 12 pipes that are filling up the same tank? So we expect the fill-in time to be shorter. Okay? We expect the fill-in time to be shorter because we have more pipes now, 12 pipes instead of 10 that are filling this tank up with maybe a liquid or a gas. So this problem is one about inverse proportionality. What is the constant of proportionality? Let y be the fill-in time and x the number of pipes. Y, the fill-in time, is inversely proportional to x, which is the number of pipes. The more pipes you have filling this tank up, assuming a constant flow rate, the shorter is the fill-in time. This implies that y is equal to k over x, where k is our constant of proportionality. K is equal to 1 times x. That is just cross multiplication. This means that k is equal to 36. How many hours would it take 12 pipes to fill in the same tank if the flow rate is constant? Again, this is one of inverse proportionality. Y is equal to k over x, and k is equal to 36. And so when x is 12, y is equal to 3 hours. So does the result jibe with our expectation? So we expect a shorter fill-in time because we have more pipes that are working to fill up this tank. Okay? So earlier, we only have 10 pipes. And it took 10 pipes, 3.6 hours to fill in the tank or to fill up the tank. So when you have 12 pipes working on this tank, that means we expect to see a shorter fill-in time. And that is what we got. That is what we are seeing here. From 3.6 hours, it is now only 3 hours.